Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw tenant charges and refunds using Rentec Direct. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw tenant charges and refunds using Rentec Direct, begin by logging into your Rentec Direct account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find various options available. Locate the Accounts tab on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Transactions to view a list of all transactions. To find specific tenant charges, use the search feature or filter by date range. Once you identify the tenant charge you wish to withdraw, click on it to view the details. Look for the Withdraw button, which is typically found near the transaction details. After clicking Withdraw, a confirmation prompt will appear. Review the details of the withdrawal carefully to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal by clicking the Confirm button. For refunding a tenant, return to the Transactions page and locate the charge you wish to refund. Click on the charge to access its details again. Look for the Refund option, usually adjacent to the Withdrawal button. Click Refund to initiate the refund process. A prompt will require you to confirm the amount to be refunded. Input the refund amount, then click Confirm to finalize the transaction. You may receive a notification indicating the successful withdrawal or refund. Check your account balance or transaction history to verify that the changes have been reflected. This process allows you to efficiently manage tenant charges and refunds within your Rentec Direct account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.